Are you tired of seeing dots when you just want to print a data frame in Python? Hi, I'm Ben O'Gorick, and I'm here to tell you about a new package called datascroller that helps you see a data set right in the terminal. You see here that I've loaded in the Titanic data set, and I have printed the pandas data frame holding that data. Now, pandas is smart. It's not going to overflow my terminal with data. It's going to show me a little bit of the top 4 corners of that data set. And if I want to see more of the data, I have to use, say, iloc, which is not too fun. With the scroll function from the datascroller module, I am able to interactively page through this data. You see that the scroll function will only print the part of the data frame that will fit nicely within a window. Now, this could be a Tmux pane, it could be just a Linux terminal, it could be a Mac terminal, or it could be a Windows terminal. This is cross-platform, and I can navigate interactively using either the Vim navigation keys, H, J, K, and L, or just the arrow keys. There is a page down, which is Control F right now, and a page up, which is Control B. And I can get through this data set pretty quickly. When I'm done, I simply press Q, and I'm back to the REPL. Now, when you do install datascroller with pip install datascroller, you will get access to 2 different binaries. One is scroll, and if you don't want to open up a Python terminal, you can simply put the path to your CSV that you want to scroll, and you'll have the same result. If you don't have a data set handy and you still want to try it out, you can type scroll demo, and you'll be back in the same place again. Datascroller comes with the Titanic dataset. There's a lot more to do with datascroller. Right now, it's me, Ben O'Gorick, and my friend John Murfeld developing when we have time. We'd love to work with other people on this. I'll put the GitHub link below. There are still lots of things to do. We'd love to add support for different file types. Imagine going through a JSON file in the same interactive fashion. There are user configuration options that need to be added, and we hope you'll check it out and consider helping us. Hope you like datascroller.